Hello, Math 96. Today's Wednesday, February 24th. We're going to do a really quick lesson on page 63 of your white notebook. So this is factoring without a lead coefficient. It's the easiest way to factor with the magic X. So at the top of page 63, can you write down the essential question? How is factoring a trinomial without a lead coefficient easier than a trinomial with a lead coefficient? And then there's no official homework today. Just make up any missing assignments for Triad 4 and just make sure that you go ahead and upload page 63 to your digital workbook, okay? Okay, so before we get to that, remember to check Gary's for your quiz score. If you want to do a quiz retake this Thursday, Friday, then you must first complete this assignment that's on week number 6 for Triad 4. It's the quiz 5.1, 5.2 retake instructions, so you'll have to listen to the video and do everything that it says in these directions. So please make sure that you read the directions, okay? So that's for the quiz retakes. Okay, so this is example 1 in your notebook. So you can see right here that this does not have a lead coefficient other than a hidden 1. So that's how these problems are going to change. I'm going to fill in the hidden 1. And we're still going to follow the same procedure for the magic X. We're going to multiply front and back. So what multiplies to 24 and gives us 11? And I'm going to draw that magic X real quick. Now, normally what we do is we write down whatever this is. So 1x, 1x. But the thing is when we divide, we're dividing by 1. And that doesn't change the problem any. So there will be no division on the magic X. So what multiplies to 24 and adds to 11? Sorry, let me get rid of this X here. There we go. So what multiplies to 24 and adds to 11? It's 8 and 3. And here's our final answers. Because we can't divide by 1, it doesn't change anything to divide by 1. So the first parenthesis is x plus 8. And the second parenthesis is x plus 3. And there's our final answer. Okay. Now in example 2, there's a hint. There's a GCF first. So I'm just trying to remind you about the leading coefficient. Cannot be negative, right? So we have to go ahead and factor that out. So there's actually a hidden negative 1 there. So we're going to factor out negative 1. When we do that, we change all the signs. So I'm going to put pluses there. So then I'm just going to write x squared, the 13x, and the 36. And then we're just going to do the magic X. Remember, when you have a greatest common factor, you have to bring that down into the final answer. I'm going to put my 2 parentheses like we did yesterday and get ready for our final answer, right? So our magic X, 1 times 36, because remember there's a hidden 1 right there. So what multiplies to 36 and gets us to 13? And then we're just going to put 1x, 1x. Remember, whatever's right here. So that would be a 9. Oops. And a 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 plus 4 is 13. So there's our answer. We're going to bring those down. I'm just going to change colors real quick. So that would be an x plus 9 and an x plus 4. Okay? So the difference here between what we've been doing is that we're not doing any dividing, and that only happens when you have a lead coefficient of 1, a hidden 1 there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let you finish these next few problems on your own. I want to remind you here on example 4, you need to put in order first. So you have to rearrange everything. So x squared first, then 19x, which is positive, and then 48. So you're going to do all the magic x's, right? So all of these you're going to do the magic x on. This one too. So this is your work for today. There's a couple more, so make sure that you put number 4 into order first. You can hit pause if you need a minute. Let's take a look at the next two problems. So this one's all set, and this one needs to be put in order first. So we would start with negative x squared, then negative 20x, and then positive 21. And then don't forget on example number 6 that you have to pull out the lead negative and finish with the magic x. Okay, I think that's it. I think there's only 6 problems on this page. Yep, that's it. So you're going to go up to example number 6 and then upload this page to your digital workbook. Please make sure that you make up all your assignments for triad number 4. It closes on Friday. And please make sure you come to class on Thursday and Friday for your quiz retakes. Thank you.